How to use StockX Portfolio. The StockX Portfolio features which allowed user to track the real-time market value of their sneakers in April will be discontinued on March 11, 2026. So until that date, you can use the feature to monitor your collection's value by following these steps. What you need is simply use StockX search bar, just like this. Open the app, tap on the search bar, and find the specific item. You could go ahead and type in sneakers or whatever item that you want to look for, and hit the search bar. Here, you just have to go ahead and select the correct size, conditions, typically dead stocks, purchase date, and price date as well. Then item you buy directly through the StockX market are often automatically added to your portfolio. And once items are added, the portfolio dashboard provides several key metrics such as market values, gain, loss, and total portfolio value as well. This is how you're supposed to use StockX Portfolio. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.